everyone. Okay, we're going to do some phonics today. We're going to start off by just practicing our reading of the graphemes. So I'm going to show you some graphemes. Some might be letters on their own, some might be those digraphs, and see whether you can say the sound.
U, A, F, Oi, O, E, Ow.
Okay, how did you get on? Brilliant. Right, next I'm going to show you some tricky words. Remember, these are those words that you can't always sound out using your phonics. They will be words that we just kind of have to learn by reading them. So I'm going to put some up on the screen now, see how you get on.
Asked, called, looked, people, water.
Right, it's a little reading warm-up. We've done our tricky words and we've done our phonemes. We are now just going to do a little game where I'm going to show you a photograph and it has some words for you to read and it has some pictures for you to match the words with. So this might be that you want to write the word and draw the picture to match, or it might just be a discussion you have with someone else who is close to you, like a grown-up. So I'm just going to show you the pictures and the words, see if you can read the words, match them with the picture, and I'll see you in a moment. Okay, how'd you get on with that? Brilliant. I'm just going to show you the check screen now, so it'll be another photograph and it will have the pictures matched with the words, so you can do your own little ticking to see if you got them right. Good luck. See you in a moment. Right, for today's phonics lesson, we're not really going to concentrate on just one sound or one digraph. We are going to look at phase 5 as a whole. So we're just going to be doing some activities that allow us to practice our spellings and our readings of the different sounds and graphemes in phase 5. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you a picture, and on that picture there's going to be some stars. Inside each star is a digraph, and what I would like you to do is to write a word for each of those digraphs. So you'll get the digraph, write a word that has it in. I'm going to do the same now, so I want you to pause the video in a moment and have your go, and we'll see if we got the same words. Hi, welcome back. How do you get on? Here are my words. I've got train, feet, might, float, crayon. It's a bit tricky because the AY comes in the middle. Meat, the sort of meat you'd eat. Not me, I'm a vegetarian. Pie and clown, my least favourite thing in the world. Okay, so well done you. Okay, now we're going to play a game, and again we're going to be using lots of phase 5 graphemes So it's a real practice of all those. It's a game that's a little bit like Ob and Bob that we would play, only this time they are called Phop and Phir. And Phop likes to eat real words and Phir likes to eat fake words, pretend words. So in a minute I'm going to show you another screen, and it's going to have Phop and Phir on it, and there are going to be lots of different words. On a piece of paper you can write a list of the words that you feel are real and another list of the words that you think are fake. They're not real words, okay? And we'll see which ones Phop would eat and which ones Phir would eat. I'm going to have a little go as well, so we're going to pause the video now. I'll show you that screen. You can pause and then we'll come back and see whether we were right. Okay, welcome back. Did you have a good go at that? Okay, here are my lists. So Phop likes to eat real words, and we've got grew. It's a past tense of the word grow. I grew some sunflowers in my garden. Chimney, it's what you might have on top of your house if you've got a fire. Lets all the smoke out. Haunt, something a ghost might do. Threw, past tense of the word throw. I threw a ball. And nephew, if my sister had a son, he would be my nephew. So it's a member of your family. And then we've got Phir, who likes to eat fake words. We've got tofu, brooper, tropy, torg, vonks, and pantru. Fun words, but I don't think any of them mean anything. Okay, the last activity we're going to do is something that we looked at right at the beginning of this video when we looked at some of those tricky words. So I'm going to give you 3 tricky words, and I would like you to write them down and have a good go at spelling them. Remember, these are words where our phonics don't really help us. They might help us a little bit, but usually we've just got to know these words. Okay, and they are all going to be past tense versions of words, so maybe that might give you a clue. The first word is the word looked. I looked through the window. Looked. Next word is the word called. I called upstairs to my children. The word is called. And the last word I'm going to ask you to spell is asked. I asked a question. The word is asked. Okay, you can pause the video if you like here, just to give you a little go. I will say the 3 words again. Looked, called, asked. Okay, so here's our checkboard here. So you can see I've written looked, called, and asked. I've underlined that each of these, I said they were past tense words, so past tense verbs. They've got the ED ending. And that's a little bit tricky to remember because they don't always sound like they do, but they do. So I hope you got on okay with those. You can give yourself a big tick if you got those. And I hope you've had fun with some of the activities we've done. And I hope to see you again soon. Bye.